Pemberley Farm. So today I am doing Lotion, another Bath and Body product video. I'm going to make some homemade lotion. Now again, any scent is okay. Like I said, I used doTERRA. That's what I used. You use what you want. I'm going to show you a base recipe for lotion. You do any scent you want. The scent I'm going to do today is a pain blend, so that you can use this lotion as like a icy hot type kind of thing. So I'm going to have to deal with the stove and be back and forth a little bit, so a little different today. So clear bowls are dirty, so I'm going to just have to use this clear bowls that are the right size. Anyway, so what I've got is almond oil, and I'm just going to pour it in. Where's my almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, and I've got some shea butter. I'm trying to make sure that that's everything. Almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, and shea butter. You can use shea butter or cocoa butter. Put in the shea butter. Ugh, my hands are gross. So I don't have a double boiler, so I'm using a pot of water with the bowl, and just gonna put it on the stove and make sure everything melts. So everything just needs to melt down till it's liquid, and after it's fully melted, I take it off the heat and we'll let it cool a little bit. And then I'll add the essential oils. As you can see, everything but the beeswax is melted so far. Beeswax always takes a little longer. It gets quite aggravating at times, because other than the beeswax, this would be really quick. Alright, so we're finally melted. I'm fixing to take it off the fire and add the essential oils to it. Alright, so I'm going to add a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and then I'm going to start adding several different essential oils that are good for pain. Things like wintergreen, cypress, Siberian fir, wild orange, copaiba, a lot of oils for this this blend. Other things I don't put near the amount, but this one has a lot of different ones, and like I said, it's all to make pain better. Alright, so it's all put together, all melted. I need to get it in the jars before it decides to, hot, I'm trying to think, decides to harden back up. These things have the pour spouts on the wrong side. I am a left-handed person. I'm having a hard time with this one. It's already starting to harden, so I'm trying to hurry. Alright, and that's it. So I'm going to clean up the sides of the jar because it has hardened around the rim. But it's easy. Almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, and whatever fragrance essential oil you want. That's it. And so it's gonna sit. It's clear right now, but it's gonna sit and harden, and it will be creamy white, a little off-white color. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And y'all have a blessed day from Me Really Far.